Hey guys! Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make vegan and high-protein sweet potato brownies. This brownie has 9.5 grams of protein per each piece. So to make that happen, I use the 3 vegan protein sources. First one is tofu. Tofu is known as a complete protein, which means it has all the 9 essential amino acids you need. The second is hemp powder or hemp protein. This is a powdered form of hemp seed which is also a complete protein. And the last but not least is almond flour. Almond flour tastes rich and sweet and very popular for gluten-free baking. So we start by cutting and cooking sweet potatoes. Cut sweet potatoes in the small cubes. You don't have to be precise because we are going to blend them later on. Now you can boil or steam. But what I like to do is simmer with a little bit of water and a pinch of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of water in a pan and add a sweet potato and sprinkle a pinch of salt. Cover with a lid and cook over the low heat. In this way, you can steam sweet potatoes without steamer. And salt really brings out sweetness of sweet potatoes. After 5 to 10 minutes of cooking, potatoes should be nice and tender. Now transfer them into the food processor. Add 70 grams of tofu. 1 teaspoon of miso. Miso is optional, but it cancels out the bean flavor of tofu and gives depth to the taste. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/4 cup of soy milk. 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Pop the lid on and blend everything until combined and smooth. Once it's all blended, transfer to the mixing bowl. Add a 1/2 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of hemp powder, 3 tablespoons of cacao powder or cocoa powder. Blend everything until well combined. Now, line the baking tray with parchment paper and scoop the mixture in. Make sure to smooth it down to make it even. Bake it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 30 minutes until the top looks set. Once it comes out of the oven, cool it completely. Cut into 6 pieces and top with your favorite toppings. I did mine with strawberries, blueberries, and a vegan caramel sauce. For the sauce, I just mixed the maple syrup, almond butter, and water to lessen. Now sit back and enjoy your brownies!